Ashwagandha is the most marketed supplement in the testosterone space. It's also one of the few that has genuine clinical data behind it. But the marketing claims are broader than the science. This is what the trials actually show. Here's the thing most people miss. Ashwagandha doesn't directly stimulate testosterone production. The primary mechanism is cortisol reduction, through its effect on the HPA axis, your stress response system. Cortisol and testosterone have an inverse relationship. When cortisol is chronically elevated, a hormone called GnRH is suppressed at the hypothalamic level. That reduces LH and FSH, which reduces testosterone production. Ashwagandha reduces cortisol. That relieves the suppression, and testosterone rises toward its natural set point. This explains something important. The testosterone-raising effect is larger in stressed, high-cortisol men, and smaller in relaxed men with normal cortisol. It's not a testosterone booster. It removes a constraint. Let's look at what the human trials actually found. Study 1. Wankhede, 2015. Published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition. 57 young men, aged 21 to 35, all training. Randomized to 600 milligrams of KSM-66 ashwagandha or placebo for 8 weeks. Results: testosterone increased 17% in the KSM-66 group versus 4% in placebo. Cortisol decreased 28%. Muscle recovery improved. Study 2. Lopresti, 2019, published in Medicine. 60 men, aged 40 to 70, with moderate fatigue and stress. 240 milligrams of sensoril ashwagandha, a different extract, versus placebo for 12 weeks. Results: testosterone increased 14.7% in the treatment group versus 2.5% in placebo. Study 3. Ambier, 2013. 46 men with fertility issues. 675 milligrams of root extract for 90 days. Testosterone increased 17%. LH increased. Sperm count improved significantly. What all three share: they consistently show 10 to 22% testosterone increases in stressed or suboptimal men. They do not show large effects in healthy, low-stress men with normal cortisol. Not all ashwagandha is the same. This is where most people go wrong. The clinical trials used standardized extracts. KSM-66 is a full-spectrum root extract, standardized to at least 5% with analytes. It has the most clinical evidence for testosterone and cortisol. Sensoril is a leaf and root extract with a different profile. It also has clinical data, but a somewhat different effect. Generic ashwagandha root powder, the cheap stuff, has variable withanolide content and is often underdosed. You don't know what you're getting. Avoid it. The product label must say KSM-66 or sensoril, not just ashwagandha extract. For KSM-66, the dose is 600 milligrams daily. You can split it, 300 morning, 300 evening, or take a single dose before bed. For sensoril, the dose is lower, 120 to 250 milligrams daily. It's a more concentrated extract. Benefits accumulate over 8 to 12 weeks. Don't judge effectiveness at 2 weeks. Take it for a full 12-week cycle, then retest cortisol and testosterone if you started with a baseline panel. And this is the most important part. Ashwagandha is not a replacement for the fundamentals. The correct order is 1. Sleep, 7 to 9 hours, consistent timing. 2. Stress management. Zone 2, cardio, Lifestyle changes. 3. Body composition. Get visceral fat under control. 4. Micronutrients. Vitamin D, zinc, magnesium. 5. Then KSM 66 ashwagandha. Men who add ashwagandha before fixing sleep and stress are adding a modest cortisol reducer on top of a chronically activated stress response. Fix the source first. Quick note on who it won't help much. Men with normal cortisol and normal testosterone, the mechanism doesn't apply. Men with primary hypergonadism, where the testes aren't responding to signals, cortisol reduction won't fix that. And men with hypothyroidism as the primary cause, get your thyroid checked first. Full evidence breakdown with study links, product recommendations, and the complete dosing protocol is on maleoptimal.co.uk. Link in the description. If you found this useful, subscribe. We do evidence reviews like this every week. No bro science, just what the research actually says.